Maybe just an exhaust system.
Yeah, it's got to sound more like a V8, I think. Yeah, it's got to sound more like a V8, I think.
Yeah, it's got to sound more like a V8, I think.
Hey guys, and welcome back to G's Autos. Thank you so much for tuning in. Well, I'd like to start this episode by giving a big thank you to Jimmy and Rob up at Muffler Kings in Toowoomba. I sent the EB up there this week to have the original exhaust system removed and have it replaced with a complete new system, including Pacemaker Extractors. The system looks amazing and sounds absolutely fantastic. I can't believe how much improvement it's made to the way the car drives. I couldn't be happier. Now, the guys up there at Muffler Kings have got a lot of experience when it comes to muscle cars, performance cars, plus all your everyday road cars, whether it's muffler repairs or complete system upgrades like mine. So the car was in really good hands and I couldn't be happier with the results. Anyway, guys, enough talk out of me. Let's take a look at the system. I hope you enjoy this episode as much as I did making it. Anyway, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Okay, so here we have the original Ford factory exhaust manifolds. Now, I'll tell you what, if you could compare a set of exhaust manifolds to dog turds, this would be a pretty good example. That may sound harsh to some people. Look, I know that when they're designing cars, they need to meet exhaust emissions and power requirements, and hence why so much goes into design work. But when you look at these, the pinches on these tubes here is just unbelievable. I mean, look at this one. How restricted these pipes were. Unbelievable. Let's have a look at the other one. You can see there how tight they are pressed in. And if we flip these over and we actually have a look, you can see where the welds come in, or where the pipe is actually pushed in. You can just see how much airflow is actually restricted. Now what we're going to do, we will actually have a look at the new extractors that are on the car. And we'll also take it for a drive, and I want to get a good feel for the acceleration. I actually haven't had a chance to do that yet. Now, the car was still running the very original Ford exhaust manifold gaskets. Thanks, Jimmy, for keeping all that for me, mate. I really do appreciate it. But yeah, you can just see how restrictive these manifolds were. So I'll tell you what, this car is going to drive so much better. All right, let's go take a look at the new extractors on the car. So let's get out there and have a look. All right, I'm not too sure how good the footage is going to come up, but I'm telling you now, that's looking pretty good. Now, obviously, this is the driver's bank. Let's have a look at the passenger side, see if we can see anything. But I do have some very good undercar footage, thanks to Jimmy, and the sound at the back, but we'll also have another look at that later as we go for a drive. But anyway, guys, that's about as good as a look I can give you in the engine bay. But the footage coming up soon will give you a full look at the entire system underneath the car. So let's take a look at that now. so I've just set the camera up. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I'm just going to wind up the front passenger window and the driver's rear window. So I'm just going to leave this one open so you can hear what I'm hearing exhaust wise. Low down pickup has improved so much, just pickup in general. It's like chalk and cheese, you can't compare it. The Extractors make such a massive difference. And obviously having high flow cats, a high flow exhaust, 3-inch pipe, this thing is now breathing, which is, I couldn't be happier, it's fantastic. I'll just slow it down again. Oh, the power is so far out. Wow. Chalk and cheese, that's all I can say. I'll go up here and I'll do a launch from a standing start. I won't go manually through the gears, I'll just leave it in auto. But wow, you can feel it, you just feel that you're going back in the seat a little bit more than what you were. Feels really good. And the sound. Oh yeah, when you get up around that, really up around that 80 to 100 mark and your foot to the floor, even right through the rev range, it's made a massive difference. Oh yeah, the pickup is unbelievable. Just going to pull over here, make sure the camera is still recording okay. What a stunning day, absolutely magic. Alright, we're good, we're still recording, as you would know. Just waiting for the right moment. Don't need to go upsetting people. Alright, here we go, standing start. I must say, pardon me, that is a vast improvement.